In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by values in an Excel pivot table. Sorting by values is one of the most useful ways to analyze your data, because it lets you quickly see things like top performers, lowest totals, or biggest variances without manually scanning through long lists. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to do that, and I'll also point out a few common pitfalls to avoid so your results stay accurate. First, make sure you already have a pivot table set up from your source data. If you don't, select any cell in your dataset, go to the Insert tab, and choose Pivot Table. Place it either in a new worksheet or in the existing one. Then drag your fields into the rows, columns, and values areas as needed. Once your pivot table is created and you can see the summarized numbers, you're ready to sort by values. Click anywhere inside your pivot table so the pivot table specific options appear in the ribbon. Now look at the values you want to sort by. For example, this might be a field like total sales, sum of quantity, or average score. Find one of the value cells in that column. Then hover over the small drop-down arrow next to the field name in the pivot table fields list, or use the drop-down directly in the header of the pivot table if it's visible. From the drop-down menu, choose the sort option that matches what you want. To see the largest numbers at the top, select Sort from largest to smallest. To see the smallest values first, choose Sort from smallest to largest. Excel will instantly reorder the row or column labels based on the values, not alphabetically, which is the key difference when sorting by values instead of by labels. If you want even more control, you can use the Sort dialog. Right-click on one of the labels you're sorting, choose Sort, and then go to the More Options or Custom Sort choice. Here you can specify exactly which value field to sort by and whether to sort in ascending or descending order. This is especially helpful if your pivot table has multiple value fields and you want to focus on just one of them. Remember that pivot tables are dynamic. If your underlying data changes and you refresh the pivot table, the sort order might update as well. To keep everything accurate, get into the habit of refreshing your pivot table before analyzing sorted results. And that's how you sort by values in an Excel pivot table, giving you a clear, ranked view of your data in just a few clicks.